Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to use uBlock Origin on Chrome. First, go to Google Chrome and go to ublockorigin.com. You'll be directed to this interface, and here you will see two options. The Get You Block Origin may not be available in your region for some reason. So sometimes it does not just download. So you can just go to uBlock Origin Lite, which is pretty much same as the original uBlock. Click on it and click on Add to Chrome. Add extensions and wait for it to download. Now once the extension has been added, click on the extension and click on uBlock. You can set the filtering mode to optimal, basic, no, or just complete. Just choose however you want. And that's it, uBlock. Origin will now actively block ads and trackers while you browse. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.